All right, we have a 2007 Ford Edge. Customer brought it in saying the lights don't work on it. Well, the battery don't work on it. And before I can get it down to my garage, I need this fucker to start.
Welcome to
CJ's.
Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ.
It's Fat Cat's.
CJ's Garage.
It's Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ's Garage.
It's my channel. Who cares?
So the battery is definitely shot. I was thinking maybe it's the alternator, but it was actually running. He had to jump it, so the battery's bad. I have a backup battery. I don't even know if that's going to fit in there. Looks a little bigger, but I have to have it running. Well, at least power source to it. This thing is still charging. I mean, we could try starting it, but I don't think it's going to start. Okay, well, that was pretty close. Shut up, I'm recording here. So I need to put a battery in it, see what happens. Come on. I definitely need you to fit in here. You can do it. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what it does for that. All right, here we go. I'm assuming it's going to start. That is a nega fucking Tory. All right. It says it's charged. Sorta. It says it's halfway charged, so let's try this one more time. That's it. Got it. Fuck. We on? We're not on. We're on? Oh. Alright, sweet. Hello, Nick's here.
What's up?
Okay. Alright. So, what we're going to do here is figure out why the headlights don't work. And I don't know about the battery issue. I know this battery's not perfect, but the other battery was squash. So we're going to do electrical today. Now, here's the head. There's no headlights.
That should be headlights on.
Yeah. This. Why is it just a bulb in there? That's kind of. You got all this fancy equipment. It's just a yellow bulb.
Right.
Wow.
That's where the budget stopped. That's where the budget stopped.
Okay. So the projector halo, whatever this is that a projector? I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, you got a shoddy looking neutral. Or white wire, I should say, because
Is it open? Like
it's
non-taped?
very half-assedly spliced.
Huh.
And I do see a clip that is not going to anything down there.
Yeah?
You see that guy too? Right there, you can see it. It's the little black and white clip right there that my light's on. See it kind of just hanging out?
Yeah? Get the cigarette hand out of my way. I'll stick my dick fingers in here. Alright, well, as you can tell, this is the regular light setup. I'm assuming this is what this is. So, you put halos on it and it's not working. It was working.
Was.
And then it stopped.
Okay.
So that's what we're trying to figure out. Both sides stopped working. So there's one clip, two clip,
Red
three clip. Whoa, what is this one? Another one. How many do you need to do a upgrade on your freaking lights, man? I would imagine you'd only need like one.
Well, like, what does he even go to? Because they obviously don't go to each other.
America. So, unhooked all the rat nest over there, which is different from this rat nest, which I don't even understand why. 2 resistors, all these wires, makes no sense. So here's the original I'm assuming low and high. Same over there, all unhooked. I mean, this has got to be it.
I think they go to these, to be honest. But they don't go to them.
Yeah, it looks like they go to them, they don't go to them.
That does clip in there.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. It does.
Let's try it. Nope, no, you're right. Because we marked that with duct tape.
You want me to try it?
Yeah.
Like Headlight? Oh!
Dude.
Well, but this one's unplugged at the moment. Okay,
have
we
a
got
headlight.
the... Okay, but the halo's not on. So, basically we have a halo, a light, a turn signal, and the marker light. Do you remember which one was which? Nothing? Well, try a different one. Alright, so right off means that the fuses are okay. Maybe.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, that's working now. It wasn't working earlier.
Yep.
Huh, okay. Alright, well change it over because the headlight should be working.
I bet whatever this goes into is what the headlight's supposed to go into.
Well, which one was this? This one was a gray plug. You don't got a gray plug? Yeah, you got a gray plug over there, right? Oh, so you put you both of them are hooked up. So unplug this and then plug that one in.
Yeah. But that's also headlight though.
Yeah, this is headlight. Oh, yeah, there we go.
That's LED strip.
Marker light. All right, so we pulled out the housing, and we're thinking that this light bulb is out. So we're gonna try to dig into this and see what's going on. All right, let's go dick with it. We'll throw power on it and see what it does. Why is the key? Oh, dude, I barely touched the key and it just stopped. Okay, so if this is the halo, all we gotta do is put some power to it and see what it does. Well, this is the wires that go in the bottom.
Right.
These are wires that go nowhere. Which one do you think goes to the halo?
That's the bottom.
Yeah. Hold that battery, sir. Let's see what happens. Is it the halo? It looks like a light behind it.
Yeah, it's the bulb.
Oh, it's the bulb.
Oh, wait, no, wait, no, wait.
What the fuck?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Now try it.
Here, I'll try it this way. I am fucking dead confused with this. Dude, really? What the fuck?
Other way.
Sure it's the other way?
Yep. Alright. Oh.
Bro, there's a light coming on the inside of it, dude. Alright, so we found wiring issues that was grounding out the battery. And it was basically the flipper flapper that is on this device. It basically changes the high beam, well, the low beam to high beam on a HID light. So we're going to take that off. We're going to put a standard light bulb in it because he wants his headlights to work. The driver's side works, but the passenger was blown, and I don't have any of those HIDs. All his equipment is still here. We'll give him the wires, and if he wants to re-put that on, that's fine. Later, when he has to order them, you have to order them online. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the accent light and the LED light on the low beam, so when he turns it on, they'll all come on at the same time. And put a regular factory bulb in it, and then yeah, and then that's we're gonna call it a day. And then we got to rewire this up to make sure all that works, and that's end of story. And then we're done here. Went through all the fuses. I don't know. Did we do the fuses? I don't think we even did a video on the fuses. We went through all the fuses, under the hood, under the dash,
and we didn't find one bad one, did we? So that's it, and we're just gonna run these all together, and we'll be back. All right, so we got the passenger side back in, hooked up, ready to go. We just put the driver's side in, and he's gonna turn it on, and we're gonna see. Let me shut this down. Here we go. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yep, looking good. Go ahead and start it up. All right, it's alive. The lights work, everything's good. And that is a $100 job, which is pretty fucking cheap if you ask me. That should be it. This is Fat Cat's garage. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, if you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you? You see Nick there? I don't know. He's like, why haven't you?
Why not?
Subscribe for Nick if you don't like me. I mean, if you don't like me, that's cool. You can always like Nick. So, yeah. Watch these videos over here, and hopefully, you know, you can learn something, because we sure learn every time we do something.
Something new every day.
He learns all the time. Let me watch these lights when you're backing out. Okay, cool. Let's get this backed out outside.
Turn the lights on. All right, let off the brakes. All right, cool.
Coming back.
Yep, take it out. By the way, we did not do a full service on this. We did not check the engine light. We did not fill up any of the fluids. So I'm just saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Kid, get out of the way! Stupid bitch. She was just sitting behind the truck. I don't know. Yeah, go ahead. Yep, got the lights on. Whoa, 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 whoa. The halo is on this side, and it's not on this side. Send it. Ha! Watch those, yeah, watch those mirrors. Oh, boom. Look at that. Watch that other mirror. Wow. Straight up, that motherfucker is on. Whatever, dude. Fat Cat's Garage, baby.